Hey, have you been using overpriced funnel building tools like ClickFunnels or Leadpages, and you're wondering how you can actually make a nice residual income on your online tools that you can actually use and get paid very, very nicely? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I've been marketing online for about 7 years now, and I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space. And these are some of my results from today that I'm showing you. And just because I show you these results does not mean that you can make these kind of results. It all depends on your work ethic and how much time you put in, your skill set. And the average affiliate earns $347. And so your work is going to depend on you. Your earnings are going to depend on you. I'm just showing you what's possible with funnel builder tools that I use that give you an 80% commissions on all the tools. So basically, if you use a funnel builder tool or you use what you see within this video, you can earn 80% commissions whenever people buy the tools off of you. It's a residual income, right? So I'm going to just show you, what's possible. If you look at, funnel building tools like, ClickFunnels, here's what you're paying per month. The monthly plans start at $147 and they go all the way up to, $300 per month. That's for, ClickFunnels. Here's for, Leadpages. You're paying anywhere from $99 to $50 per month. So if you want the pro, you're paying $100 per month. Now I'm going to show you what I actually use for my stuff, right? So I use this platform right here. It's a training platform, and it teaches you all about funnels in this one. So this portion right here is only $25 a month for your funnel builder, right? And I highly suggest using this builder as opposed to using those other two that you just seen. So you're gonna learn different things, like there's a community you can join, and then you can actually learn the 3 simple steps to build any business online. And then right here, you're going to learn all about funnels. So you're going to know about buying your domain and getting a custom domain, and then being able to use your email with it. So you need a business email, and then you're going to be able to, integrate your autoresponder with your funnel builder, and then you're going to learn, different things. So you're going to learn how to build out funnel pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to do custom code on your pages, how to do an exit pop. So basically, when somebody tries to leave your site, how do you get them to stay on? They're going to get a pop-up, and then you're going to actually learn different things, such as how to track your leads within the builder, so you can track where every lead comes from on a lead level, how to sell your own products. So if you have a digital product that you want to sell, you can actually make it within this builder that I'm going to show you, and then how to make an upsell and downsell. So if you're selling a product, how to get them to upsell and downsell. That's one-click buy, either an upsell or downsell. And then how to create a membership site. So you want to create a membership site, we teach you how to do that. And then you're going to know how to actually create different things. And here's all kinds of different, training. And then if you want to do a regular website, you can also learn how to do that in here as well. This is $25 a month. It gives you a $20 per month commission. So you're making 80% commissions off your $25. So you're making $20 per month commission off the $25. Now, if we go into the funnel builder, I'm going to show you. I'm gonna log in. If we go into the funnel builder, this funnel builder can actually do more than ClickFunnels, and it's a lot cheaper, right? It's cheaper and better quality than ClickFunnels. Here's my traffic store right here. So if you go to profitbuilderstraffic.com, here's what I built my entire store off of. Then if we go into here, it shows what every package that people bought, how much the dollar amount, all my stats. So you can build out anything within this builder. And the cool thing about it is I am able to manage my entire team's funnels. So if you look in here, I can actually manage people's funnels and help them to get results. So if you're building a team in network marketing or affiliate marketing, you're going to want to have something like this, so that way you can help people to get results. And it's really, really cool when that is something that you use, because you can actually make systems around whatever opportunity you have and actually plug people into the system. And then we have daily hands-on coaching that's live by Zoom as well. People come to me and they're like, well, how do I get traffic? How do I get leads? How do I get sales? So basically, we have daily hands-on coaching on the TNC Monday through Friday, live by Zoom. And, basically, it's all about traffic, right? And then we have a Monday night mastermind call. When somebody starts making sales, we bring them out to actually speak on how they're getting sales. And then you're able to learn from them. And then we have, our free methods. So the free methods are how to launch your own business, how to invite people, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to actually, nourish your relationship, short form video lead generation, YouTube ranking, how to actually get more videos in YouTube. This is the easy button YouTube strategy. Here's free leads with Facebook ads, right? And then how to do podcasting, how to do different things like Facebook Live Mastery, how to do it the right way, blogging. Here's different things as well. And then how to do a launch. So if you ever have a product and you want to know how to do a launch, you could do a launch. And then there's also paid methods right here, which include, different things, text messaging, solo ad training, Facebook ads, and Facebook video ads, right? So, and then here's a conversion portion, teaches you all about conversion, how to close leads, how to connect with people, conversion secrets, how to onboard a team member the right way, how to actually write emails that sell, email promotion code. So pretty much if you're converting people on like a launch, you want to use this in combination with the launch strategy. And what if you're an introvert and you don't really like making content like that? This will show you a way around it that you can actually use to get results. Here's an AI tool that we have. You can use this AI tool to write whatever you want in your marketing. So basically, whatever you want to use it for in your marketing, you can use it. And this portion right here for the daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom is $125 per month. So you're basically, out of that $125, you're earning 80% commission. So you're earning $100 from that $125, right? So with the Funnel Builder tool, you're earning a $20 a month commission from the $25, then a $100 per month from the $125. So $150 per month in total for these two tools, and you get a $120 commission. What that means for you is with only 2 signups, you're $90 in profit. So if you could get 2 people to buy the tools that they can use to build their business and get the daily coaching, then you're making $90 per month. If you want to make more than $90 per month, if you want to make like $3,000 per month, just get 25 signups that have both the Funnel Builder tool and the coaching, right? And then we have one other product, which is the Financial Literacy Academy product, which teaches you all about finances, how to eliminate your debt, and how to actually understand finances. Then it teaches you, tax strategies so you could save money, how to invest for your retirement, and then how to keep your records the right way, because a lot of people don't know how to keep their books the right way. And if you have an online business, you want to try to save as much money in taxes as you can. So that's what they teach there. This teaches you about investment strategy. So basically this teaches you how to avoid scams, new U.S. investor strategies that you can use. It also teaches you about car flipping, house flipping, mobile home flipping, stress-free property management. Here goes the house flipping, and then asset protection. So basically this last course is when you first get it within the first 3 days, it's only $500, and you get a $400 commission from the $500. But if you wait past 3 days, it'll be full price at $1,000. So you're getting a 50% discount. If somebody buys it at $1,000, you get an $800 commission, and that's on top of the 25 sales that you get from the Funnel Builder tool and the coaching. So basically, if they go all in one time, it's going to be $525 one time, and you earn a $400 commission plus $120 per month when they sign up, right? So that's a cool thing about this is you use tools and training to be able to market your business online, right? So, basically that's what I would suggest to use on the front end, and you will be able to get results because you're able to get people into your world. They're able to know, like, and trust you because they see you on video. So when you're building a business, it's very important to use tools and training to be able to build your business online. So if you're using solo ad places like Traffic for Me or Udemy, definitely come here and check out my traffic because it's better than all those traffic places. And I make sure that you get the kind of results that you want to. You have support while doing it, right? So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video to actually come to this page. This is my traffic store. You could come to the traffic store. You can actually at the bottom of this page, you can actually write an inquiry. If you have questions, you can reach out to me. And definitely, I would definitely click on the link below this video as well to take you to a funnel. When you opt into the funnel, you can actually sign up for this opportunity that's been able to help me to build and grow my business online using tools and training. And again, my results are not your results, so don't ever just look at somebody based on their results and think that you can get those same results. It's going to take time. It's going to take skill sets, and you're going to have to actually put in the work to actually get those results. All right, so make sure you click on the link below this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.